Yo, what's poppin' on my goons worldwide? We back, back, live in effect, live and direct. We live, let's connect. Hey yo, we back with another crazy powerful gym. Crazy body game. I'm your host, the one and only Spontaneous Productions. It's time to get busy. It's time to get activated. You know them goofies gon' hate it, cause you know they can't fade it. It's time for this greatness, powerful, prophetic message from the core to soul, baby. Hey yo, I got something you need to know. Body game, fit body game. People are gonna hate you, straight like that. This is not for the weak, okay? Body game is not for the weak of heart, not at all. People gonna test your nuts. They gonna test your guts. They gonna test your patience. They wanna see if you really got it like that. They're gonna hate on you. It's gonna be a lonely road. It's gonna be difficult. They're gonna make it hard for you. I'm keeping it all the way real. Yo, you gotta be locked in. You gotta be focused. And people are gonna hate you bad just because you look good. Man, it is hard to walk around with a crazy ripped, fit body. 10% body fat or lower is insane. It is achievement unlocked, okay? You gotta put that work in. You gotta play the game on demon mode, okay? On demon time, difficulty level, elite level. And then once you beat the game on demon time level, then you unlock the cheat code. And then you can see the benefits. You get to reap the benefits. I'm keeping it all the way real. Yo, first of all, you're gonna lose friends because you're gonna be committed to this fitness shit. You're gonna be committed to being in the gym for 1, 2, 3, 4 hours a day. You know, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days out the week. And you're gonna be doing it for years. If you really wanna see gains, it's not something you're gonna do for a year or two. No, you're gonna be doing it for 10 years straight, okay? So imagine, you're gonna go to the gym for 2 hours a day, 5 days out the week for 10 years straight, okay? That's gonna cut off crazy people. A lot of time you ain't gonna have to spend doing the things you was doing with your friends and with your family. Things you was doing before is gonna take a back seat. So people are gonna get pissed off. You ain't got time like that. People are gonna want to hang out with you. You can be like, I ain't got time to hang out and go to the function. I gotta go to the gym. Or they're gonna be like, oh, we're gonna have dinner at this or that place. You're gonna say, nah, I ain't got time to go out because I gotta go to the gym. And say, hey, we gotta get this gaming session on. You can say, I ain't got time for games right now because I gotta go to the gym. Yo, the gym is the best game. Yo, it's like Grand Theft Auto leveling up. You know what I mean? Like, you leveling up your character. You're building your character in the real life. The game of life. Okay? The game of life. You getting powered up. It's like, yo, create a player. You playing NBA 2K, create a character. Yo, with fit body game, you create your character. And people don't like that, you know? I had a character before, but, you know, I didn't know nothing about fitness and all that stuff growing up, and I didn't have, you know, no positive role models in my life, no masculine influence in my life growing up as a kid. So I was fat, I was obese since a kid, all the way. I didn't start working out till I was 28, okay? And now I'm 42, crazy ripped, crazy shape, about to be 43, okay? In a few short months. And I'm crazy ripped up, crazy in shape, crazy muscular, crazy slim waist. You know what I mean? I went from wearing size 4X shirts, now I wear size extra small, XS. Crazy. I put a size small shirt on and it looks baggy on me, okay? Crazy. Okay? Now I can shop in the freaking boys section. I'm buying shirts out the boys section. At the department store. That pisses people off. You got, you know, motherfucking fat dudes, people in their 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s. You know, they shopping in the extra large, extra section, the obese section. And I'm over here shopping in the boys section. Just to get a shirt that fit right, hug my body right, got my muscles popping out right, got my abs bulging out right, arms busting out right, all that. You can see the definition in my back, right? all that. You know what I mean? So I walk around, got body, hard body, you know, just kind of like, yeah. And what I know I look good, yeah. And people kind of hate that. They hate when you walk around with a chip on your shoulder. But when you got a fit body, you naturally walk around with a chip on your shoulder. Alright? You know you're gonna get hate. You're gonna lose friends because they say, oh, who do you think you are? You're too good to hang out with us? Yeah, I am too good to hang out with you. Because I'm hanging out in the gym. You wanna come hang out with me in the gym? Nope. I bet. Well, I'll see you when I see you. Shit like that. And I've lost friends. I'm keeping it all the way real. Yo, and I got friends I used to go out with and go clubbing with and stuff like that. And, you know, people go, hey, when you get all the female attention. Shit like that. You got the fit body, real body, and they're obese. They're not looking as ripped as you, as attractive as you. Then, hey, they're gonna hate too and not want to come out with you too and not invite you to the functions too. Same shit. It's gonna be like that. And females too, they gonna hate too. Like, yo, you will be the better looking one. Especially like if your chick ain't slim and fit and athletic, then she's gonna hate too and encourage you to eat and do unhealthy things because you're gonna be the better looking one. You know, it's already enough. You don't gotta put on no makeup or nothing, no extra stuff, no lashes and all this stuff like that. And, you know, push up bra and all this stuff and tights to, you know, make your butt, you know, pop out and all this shit. All this extra stuff. Wear a waist trainer. All this extra stuff females gotta wear, the Spanx and tuck in the fat and all this extra stuff. You don't gotta wear none of that. No makeup, no concealer, none of that. You just pop out, just looking naturally handsome, buff, body sitting up right. Man, females hate too. Straight like that. They know you the better looking of the two. Better looking out the couple. Usually, it's the man that's muscular, you know? Because he ain't got to do no extra shit to doll himself up. So you don't get hate from the ladies too. And then when you be in the mirror flexing and posing, looking good, and you feeling yourself, man, you can see them just get pissed off. And another thing people gonna do when you got a fit body is they gonna downplay your fitness, alright? People gonna downplay your fitness. I get this in the gym too, usually from like, I hate to say it, but like, it'd be like fat women or you know, dudes that are on my level. They'll tell me I'm doing the exercises wrong. Get the fuck out of here. How you gonna tell me I'm doing the exercises wrong? I'm in better shape than you. I'm doing heavier weights than you. I'm doing more reps than you. How you gonna tell me? I'm the authority on fitness, you heard? Fitness Method. I got a book on Amazon. Fitness Method. From fat ass to flat abs. That book I done wrote like 3 years. It's like 3 years old now. How you gonna tell me I'm doing exercise wrong? Look at my results. I got results. I got hard body. I got gains. I ain't gonna try to tell me. So one thing people will do, they try to downplay your fitness. They'll be like, oh, you think you're all that? Cause you know, you got muscles, or I see you. Or like, you know, they'll pump up their chest when they see you, like trying to mock you. It's like, okay, why you want to mock me with your chest out? Like, see, my chest is already out, popped out, because I put in the work. You pumping yours up as a joke, but as soon as the joke is over, you know, you right back to deflated, and I'm still pumped up, walking away laughing, ha ha ha, very funny, whoop-de-whoop. You know what I mean? Keeping it moving, straight like that, because I still got it. I'll take it with me everywhere I go. You know? And it's like, that's my trophy. My body's a trophy. You're like a walking trophy with a fit body. And people want to have that. And females might play you crazy too, because you walk around with a fit body, ripped body, walking trophy. They know, hey, shit, they gotta make it hard for you because they know you can get a prettier girl than her. I'm keeping it all the way real. Females know you can get a more attractive female. So they might make it hard for you. So dating might get a little bit hard for you, a little bit awkward when you got a fit body, ripped body. You know, I mean, I got treated differently when I had a bigger body. When I was 300 pounds, you know, I had girlfriends and they showed me love and all that, you know, so I didn't have no problem in the love department when I was bigger, because I always had charisma, I always had that good energy, I was always still handsome, and I always, you know, dressed fly and all that stuff, you know, I always kept myself together, put together and all that. But, you know, it's harder when you got a fit body, because they know, like, yo, you got a choice now. You can get the cream of the crop, creme de la creme. They know females checking for you like that. So people gonna treat you different, even at work too. You know, like, you know, you might have a boss or a manager, and the manager might be hating on you because, you know, you look better than them. And that's gonna be a reason you might get laid off. I'm keeping it all the way real. I probably got laid off for 3 jobs that I could think of. And I know, hey, I'm one of the best looking people at the job. And usually you be more muscular than your supervisors, and they don't like that. You know, the higher ups, you know, they be out of shape, and you come through looking good, looking ripped, you dieseled up, crazy high power energy. Hey, everybody don't like that. Straight like that, you know. So it is what it is. It's gonna be what it's gonna be. But you're gonna get hate. People are gonna hate you, and then, you know, you're gonna start to take better care of your appearance. You groomed up nice, you smelling good, you know you looking good because you're feeling good, so you dressing better, your vibrations is higher, and people are just gonna hate. They're gonna be down, and they're gonna be mad at you. They're gonna try to drag you down. Shit like that. You can be posting pictures on the social media, and you ain't gonna be getting no likes. I don't be getting no likes when I post shit on social media. It's like, yo, I know I'm looking crazy good. I'm crazy looking good, but I don't get no likes. Straight like that. That's straight hate. It's alright. I've dropped motivational videos. YouTube, I barely get any likes, barely get any views. Man, that shit is straight hate. It is what it is. I get hate comments, and I don't care, man. It don't matter. It don't matter, because that stuff don't define me. I'm self-defined. I define myself. Shit like that. I put the work in. I know what I've been through. I know where I came from, and I know where I'm going. So it can't fade me. That's how people try to knock you off your path, knock you off your square, knock you off your greatness. Nah, you got the guts, you heard? Guts, greatness under the skin. That's what you got when you got that fit body. So know that you're gonna get a lot of hate. You know, people gonna talk down. People might try to dish you. You know, say you think you're, you know, all that. You're, you know, all full of yourself and all that. But, you know, let them little comments just roll off their back, because they wish they had what you got. Because the thing about the fit body, you can't buy this. You gotta earn this. And you done earned this. You heard? You put the work in like no other. You sacrifice like no other. You got discipline like no other. They wish they had it. They ain't got it. You got it. That's why you got it poppin'. They can't stop it. Can't stop, won't stop. Diddy voice, you heard? So yo, found the value in this video? You know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, comment. We'll keep blasting up with the crazy, powerful, fit body gear for the goons worldwide. You heard? Tap in, drop a comment. You feeling this? Let me know it's real. Drop your stories. Let them feel it. You heard? Because I know I ain't the only one. Till next time, blast off, pull up, let's get it.